Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about box and whisker diagrams, and we're in chapter 12 section F. So what we need to find to do a box and whisker, we need to find the minimum value, we need to find the maximum value, we need to know the Q1, the median, which is Q2, and then Q3. Once we have those 5 values, min, max, Q1, Q2, Q3, we can do a box and whiskers diagram. So we would draw a number line, mark all this stuff. We would draw from Q1 to Q3 a box. So right here would be Q1, right here would be Q3. We would put a line somewhere in this that represents the median, or Q2. And then we would do whiskers that go out to the min and also to the max. Okay? And so now we're just going to start with the problem. So we're on example 8, and it gives us some data. Okay, so it says find the 5-number summary of this data. So what that means, it's those 5 values that we wanted, and so we write those out. So we have minimum, Q1, Q2, which is the median, Q3, and the maximum. So the minimum, the lowest number that we have is 2. The highest number that we have is 9. If we're going to put this in order, let's see. Let's put it in order. So 2, 2. Okay, so we have 4 2s. 2, 2, 2, 2. Then we have 2 3s. We have a 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s. 2, 3, 4. 3 6s. And then an 8 and a 9. Okay, so that's in order if we go down like this. So if we're trying to find the median, well, let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So it's going to be the first 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So technically the median is in between those 2 5s, and it's a 5. And then if we find Q1, it's going to be the first half, so this and this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, in between the 4. So since it's in between 2 and 3, we're going to say Q1 is 2.5. And then if we look at this part of the data, where we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We're in between there. It's in between 6 and 6. So it's a 6. Okay, so that answered A. That was find the 5-number summary for this data. Now it says draw a box plot for the data. So box and whiskers plot. So we just need this information. So we draw a number line. Our lowest is 2, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Move that up just a little bit. Okay, so the bottom of our box is 2.5. So I'm going to draw that, and then Q3 is 6. So we draw our box. Once again, we draw it from Q3 to Q1. Then we mark our median, which is 5. So that's the median. And then we just need to do this out to 2, because that's our minimum. And then this side out to 9, because that's our max. Okay, that's a box in Whiskers Plot right there. Now it says find the range and the interquartile range. So the range is going to be from the max to the min. So if we were to count from 2 up to 9, or just say 9 minus 2, the range is equal to 7. And then if we're doing the interquartile range, that's 6, or Q3 minus Q1, which is 2.5. So 6 minus 2.5, so that would be 3.5. Then the last thing, it says find the percentage of data values which are less than 3. So we're going to go back to this data set. So the one that I wrote in order. And then we want only the numbers that are less than 3. So if we do that, we see we get 4 out of the total. So 4 out of the total, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4 out of 16. And if we divide those, we would get 25%. So 25% of the data is less than 3. Okay? And that's everything for this video. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.